Today I'm going to show you how to season your Hexclad cookware. I let mine sit in the cupboard for a few months just because I didn't know how to do it. After reading the instructions, I realized it's actually pretty simple. First, grab some vegetable oil. Then wash the pan out with soap and water. Be sure to rinse it out and dry it thoroughly. Turn on your stovetop to medium heat. Pour in about a tablespoon of oil. Be sure to cover the bottom of the pan with the oil. You can use a wooden spoon or a soft spatula. Now leave it on the heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Turn off the burner and you're all done. Wipe out the remaining oil with a paper towel and you're ready to cook.